So you might be wondering, what is Chart and Trade all about? Like, what is Arlissa even talking about? Well, Chart and Trade is a program that I've put together that actually takes two programs and mashes them together. Chart Your Way to 100K and Options 411. I put those together for a 6-week training program. It's going to start us off with charting foundations and the basics, right? It's going to hit us with some more advanced charting techniques. Then we're going to look at strategies, some buying option strategies, some selling option strategies. We'll put the charting and the option strategies together. That will give us the opportunity to combine those and to use those to make even better profits. And then we'll look at in week 6, how do we scale all this up? So I started this program on Sunday, last Sunday, for $1. The first person got it for $1, second person for $2, third person for $3. So every person who enters the program gets it for $1 more than the last person paid. At this point, we've had over 60 people to pay for the program, and I am so looking forward to what this is going to offer. The program starts on 11/11, and if you're interested in joining us for 6 weeks of how we can finish this year strong in our trading and our option tradings world, our charting technical analysis, how do we lean into some strategies? If you're interested in all those things, I want you to go ahead and sign up as soon as possible. Remember, the longer you wait, every time someone registers, the price of it goes up by $1. All right. So if you're saying, I'm just going to wait, I'll give it a minute, I'll get in, the price is going up every single day. All right. Go ahead and sign up, get registered. The place you can register is at chartyourway to 100k.com. All right. Bye.